Thank you for submitting this question, and that is, how should I finance my next new car purchase? Now, when you're looking to buy a new car, it's an exciting time. You're looking at colors, you're looking at how big the motor is, you're looking at all these things, but then you think, but where am I gonna finance that? Now, think about it this way. When you're looking for something, you wanna make sure you find the ideal car that makes sense for you, but you also wanna find the ideal loan that makes sense for you. And believe it or not, there's a lot of different options you can look for. Not only does a dealership often have multiple lenders that you can choose from, but there's also the bank, the credit union, and maybe you might even have someone in your life who wouldn't mind lending you money in exchange for some interest. So take a look at all those options, but before you even shop for your loan, make sure you negotiate the lowest possible price for that vehicle that you want to take home. Also, make sure that your credit score is nice and healthy and you have a good understanding of what your score is, because usually the better your credit score, the better the loan terms will be for you. Now, another questions and how you can really make a difference on your own financial life, feel free to reach out. I'd love to hear from you. Take care.